Fresh.
I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue.
Hey Oceans, welcome back. Today is all about this head. It's been 2 weeks since I went from Traditional Locs to the MICRO BRAIDLOCS, and it needs to be washed, period. Now, I probably won't do it every 2 weeks from here on. I'll probably do it every month, or I'll wash it as I feel it needs to be washed. That's just me. I don't like a dirty head, and so if my hair feel like it need to be washed, I'm gonna wash it. What I will be doing is the braid. Nani, this is not for you. Get out. What I will be doing is the braid and band method. I have watched a couple of ladies on YouTube, and they've given a couple of great tips on how to keep your hair from unraveling and to keep it listen, I don't know what's going on today. I'm sorry. Dogs is just going crazy. But they've given great tips on how to braid your hair and band your hair so that you can get to your hair and your scalp and make sure that it's done really good. So I will be using the spray bottle method with my good old peppermint shampoo. So it's a 18-in-1 hemp peppermint pure Castile soap, right? I know it's gonna be backwards because I'm recording, but I'll put a picture in here and I'll flip it so you guys can see. So I'll be using a little bit of this with water and just spraying good into the scalp. So without talking anymore, let's get to it. Banding my hair ends with these. I don't know. Y'all can see these little hairs. I got these from my daughter. That's why they colorful. She makes bracelets. Whatever. In her spare time. So I'll be using these pink rubber bands for my ends. That way I can kind of see the ends, like the rubber bands on the ends, and I know where to go and I'm not, pulling on my hair, which I don't want to do. So, all right. Y'all have to don't mind me not looking at y'all. I'm going to be looking at myself because I got to see where I want to start this. So I am not going to go all the way to the scalp because I want to be able to get to my scalp when I'm washing. I'm also not going to braid all the way to the end. I'm going to leave about that much. Right? Right? And then booyah. Okay? A whole braid. Y'all know I'm mad. All right. I'm going to just do these ones up here. So, here we go. Right? Plenty of room to get my fingers in there and get to my scalp good. Right? So now, your water bottle and your shampoo. I'm doing probably about that much. It's not a lot. Here, a little bit more. I don't know. I never did it this way before. I normally just put it. What am I doing? And then you put your water. I'm using warm, not hot, kind of like lukewarm. So then that's that. It's already really soapy in there. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this, y'all, so that y'all can see. So hold on. So So I have done that part. Nothing, sorry y'all. Nothing came undone. All my ends are pretty much still good and intact all the way around. Now this one I probably should have banded up one more. I wonder if I could do it now without messing my hair up. I'm going to, because I don't need no unravelers. I didn't see it before. So, all right. So, now I'm just going to let them dry. I'm not using any conditioner on them. I'll probably throw a moisturizer on them. Just because it's the kind of girl I am. No. So, but that's it. I mean, nothing else. I'm not doing anything else to them right now. I'll probably oil my scalp once they're dry, but now I'm gonna just let them air dry. That's it. Let's see the back. Right. Now my hair is thick. I mean, even with these, so it probably will take like a day or two to dry them. So when they are fully dry, I will come back. I don't know what I'm doing with it, y'all. I'll come back and we'll see what this looked like. So I'm back, y'all. It has been a full 24 hours of these babies being in. I'm gonna be using my Yanni's Miracle Oil because it's bomb. It's been about 2 weeks. I'm just doing a little bit in each section. And I'll go back and massage it through. I'm sorry if y'all hear them kids out there. Y'all know they just be doing what they want to do. just let the roots kind of do what they did. All right. I did end up having issues with the pink rubber bands. I guess the type of, whatever. So they popped, or most of them popped. So I did go back with just like regular, come out. With just like regular, sorry, my phone is going off. With just regular rubber bands, black rubber bands. So see, that one just popped. They just pop really easily. So I just went in right at the end and just put the black ones on. Y'all know I love me a good reveal, so I can't wait to see what these gonna look like. So I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Well, so because these rubber bands, you see that? They come out pretty easy, but because they pop, they wouldn't hold your ends together for your hair to dry, right? So I don't know. I don't know if they are the best to use. This is a trial and error thing for me. Y'all know that. So, I'm trying to see what this rubber band is so I don't cut my hair or pull my hair rather. But yeah, because they so easily just pop, like they were literally, like I finished washing my hair and I put my bonnet on and I was just sitting down and I was sitting there and I just kept feeling like this. Oh, that was not what I thought it was. I just kept feeling like these little like bubbles and I'm like, what is happening in my head? Like it was really kind of freaking me out, to be honest with you. And then I realized it was the dang on rubber bands popping. So, of course, you want to take care of your ends because your ends are very important. I didn't take that one out yet. Okay, that's fine. Your ends are, of course, very important, just like the rest. But I want to make sure that you get those. But yeah, so it was really weird. It sounded really weird, and you don't judge me looking over my glasses like somebody grandma. But yeah, it was craziness. So, but I didn't do anything. I didn't condition them. Y'all know I love these crinkles. I love my hair when it does it. Sorry. The only thing I will probably try and do the next time, which will be 4 weeks from now, I don't plan on washing it again for another 4 weeks. But the only thing I will probably try to do or remember to do will be to when I band the ends, band them like under this way instead of some of them, like you can see this one. Can you see this one? So how I banded it is flipped upward. So I'm gonna try, next time I'll just try to remember to band under and not over. Look at these crinkles, y'all. Get into this. I'm sorry. I really do be excited though. Like I didn't expect it to come out like anything, but I definitely I'm excited that it did. So it's still a little damp. It's not wet. I probably could have let it go either to the end of tonight till tomorrow morning. And it would have been like, it felt really dry, so that was the only reason I went on ahead and took them out. Where are you going? Why do I always have one lock that wants to be difficult? Like always, no matter what. Always. But I probably could have waited till later on tonight or tomorrow morning, and they would have been like totally dry. Like some of the ends, I think that's what it is, just some of the ends are still a little damp. So, but it feels better, it feels clean. Of course, my Yanni's Miracle Oil has it smelling scrumptily umptious, honey. So yeah, that's it though. Y'all see this? It came out really cute again. And it's just like a braid out. I guess that hair want to go over there now. So it was really easy, really simple. It wasn't, see, this just like this. So I have to remember to band down. So instead of it going that way, I have to remember to band the other way. So, but I'm happy. It's clean. My scalp looks healthy. I'm gonna have some really good new growth, honey, when it's time to. So I'm gonna do it in a month from today, because I'm excited. I love them. I'm still very happy with them. They still feel really good. So there you have it, y'all. There you have it. My 2-week update with my micro braid locks. Freshly washed, freshly oiled, fresh. I'm done. That's it. 2 weeks. Next will be a month. If you have not already liked, shared, and subscribed, please do so. Make sure you hit that bell so you get those post notifications. So anytime a new video comes, you will be the first in line.
I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I do.